When it comes to medication for respiratory health, you need a reliable, easy and convenient device you can trust. If you take medication for asthma, COPD or other respiratory disorders, you need the Dr Trust Compressor Nebulizer 407, designed for simple and effective medication delivery. FDA approved and CE certified, this unique device comes with a lightweight and portable nebulizer, handheld cup, 2 masks, adult and child size, 2 nozzles, connector pipe, wall plug, and additional filters, and even an instruction manual, so you can use your nebulizer wherever and whenever you need it. To get started, ensure the device is on a level surface and plugged into the wall. With clean hands, attach the connector cable to the base unit and cup. Choose your mask or nozzle and attach to the front of the device. Open the lid of the cup and pour your medication into the device, sealing shut. The cup can hold up to 8 milliliters of liquid medication. Press the power button and place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe deeply, holding the device upright. The high-quality Respiright Technology converts your liquid medicine into a fine mist that can be inhaled deeply and evenly into the lungs for optimum results and faster, more effective relief. If you prefer, you can even use the nozzle for an oral delivery. Be sure to inhale all of the medication before removing the mask or nozzle. This powerful nebulizer also boasts a flow adjuster, so you can take faster or slower delivery of your medication, depending on your preference. Simply turn the adjuster on the lid to change the airflow. Changing filters is easy. Simply remove the old filter and with clean hands, replace with the new. For reliable handheld medicine delivery for your respiratory needs, put your trust in the Dr Trust Compressor Nebulizer 407. Get yours today.
Dr. Trust. Trusted for life.